All right, kiddos. All right, kiddos. So basically, I wanted to make a video going over integers and adding them because I know we've been out of the classroom for a while, and yeah, some of us are like, I don't even remember the rules anymore. So let's start. Integers are positive and negative numbers, right? So like a -9 and a +9, those are considered integers because it's negative and it's positive. So, okay, integers. All right. So when adding integers, the rules are, okay, when we have the same sign, we add. Add. When we have different signs, we subtract. So like if you have a positive and a negative, you subtract. That's how this works. So think about it like this. And then honestly, the sign is going to either be positive or negative based off of how much more you have, okay? So think about it like this, okay? Think about your friendships, okay? Let's say you have positive energy. You're a positive person. And you decide to add another positive person to your group. What happens? You equal more positives. So the answer has to be positive, right? Say you're a negative Nancy. You're always negative. And then you go and you add another negative person to your group. Guess what? That group just became even more negative. Excuse me. Even more negative. And let's say your group, you're a positive person. You're a positive person, and so is your friend. You guys are positive. You're both positive. So it's two of you guys. And you add one more negative, add a negative person to it. You don't really know what that group is going to be. It's either going to be positive or negative. But it depends on how much more of each one you have. Okay? So let me give you an example. So 9 positive friends plus 2 more positive friends gives you 11 positive friends. Positive plus a positive plus positive gives you positive. But let's say you have -9 friends. So 9 of your friends are negative, and then you add 2 more negative people to your group. Now you're gonna have negative 11 people. You got 11 negative people. But let's say you are really, really positive. Your friends, you have 9 positive friends, and you decide to add a negative 2 people to your group. This is when you gotta decide. This is the basis right here. Okay, I'm gonna give you a picture. Okay. This is when it looks like addition, but you're actually gonna do subtraction because they have different signs. So you're gonna subtract. Okay. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Right? Now it's gonna be based off, the sign is gonna be based off of which one you have more of. So you have 9 positive friends, you have 2 negative friends. So you got actually more positive here. So this is going to be a positive 7. So you can leave it like that, or you can put a plus in front of the 7. However you want to see it. If it was started off as 9 negative friends plus 2 positive friends, again, the signs are different, so you subtract. So you get a -7. Excuse me, you get a 7. Your sign is going to be based off of which one of these you have more of. So do you have more negative friends or do you have more positive friends? You have more negative friends. So your group is going to be negative pretty much. So y'all just a group of negative people. Okay. Let me give you an example and then I want you to solve it, see if you can get it. And I'm going to give you 3 problems, see if you can get it, okay? So your first problem is -10 plus -12. Your second problem is -10 plus 5. And your last problem is 8 plus 2. Go ahead and pause your video and see if you can figure out the answer. I'm going to give you about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the first one, the signs are the same. So you have -10 people, -12. So you add -12 to that. Now you just got a group of -22. With this one, this is the same sign, so you add as well. So this is a +10. These two right here, these are different. So the rule is when they're different, you have to subtract. And remember, you can think about it as being a group, okay? You got, you're going to subtract, you got 5. So do you have more negative people or more positive people? More negative people. So this is going to be -5. Okay? And if you want to see this with the picture, we can do it that way too. I'm going to post the ones with pictures. So like if you have accommodations, you might want to watch the next video and it'll explain it with pictures. Okay? All right. So let me know if this works. Have a good night.